I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Nintendo Switch 2 to the Nintendo Switch mobile app. Step 1. Tap the album icon along the bottom of your Nintendo Switch 2 home screen. Step 2. Tap the select icon to open a menu and then tap Upload to Smart Device. If you have multiple accounts on your Nintendo Switch 2, you'll be prompted to choose Who's Uploading. Tap your account if you see this option. The Select and Upload screen opens. Step 3. Tap to select up to 20 photos or videos you want to upload to the Nintendo Switch app and then tap Upload. A window opens showing you the progress of those files being uploaded to the Nintendo Switch app. After the upload is complete, you'll see a message that data has been uploaded successfully. Tap OK to close this window. Step 4. Tap to open the Nintendo Switch app on your mobile device and then tap the Uploaded Data icon. You'll see all of the images and videos you've uploaded from your Nintendo Switch 2. Tap any of these images or videos to enlarge them. From here, you can tap Share to easily share a specific image with friends, or you can tap Save to save this image or video to your device's Photos app. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.